Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to another video. So today our topic is how we can create a action sheet from a view, and also if we want to just open up a complete screen uh, with a complete screen with no top view. So how can we do that? So we have uh, that three multiple screens. So we are going to implement that on order view. So let's open that, and after that we just need a button here, and in the label we are just writing down text, and the name is order detail. Okay, and here on the top we just need a state variable with the name is presented equals false initially. Okay, so when we click on the button, it needs to be is presented equals true. Okay, so after that button click, we need a sheet to open up a new screen. So for that we just need a sheet is presented with context. So in is presented, we just need to use the binding variable, which is presented. When we click on the button, it needs to be true. And in content, we just open up an account view just for the testing purpose. Okay, let me just run the app and see how it works or not. So here we have the order detail view. So here you can see we have opened a screen without that top bar. So it's not showing on the complete screen. So that is called a sheet view. So if we need a complete view without that top, like if we just don't want to just swipe down for that, we just have a button here, the back button or something else, or just we need a complete screen, what we have to do. So just a little change for that. Uh, for now we are using sheet. Instead of sheet, you need a dot full screen cover, and we are using this one. Okay, so we don't have to change anything else for that. And when we run it again, and you can click on this view, and here you can see it's open up the account view in complete screen, not for the minimum screen. It's open up for the complete screen. If you want to go back to the previous screen, you have to put a back button here, or you have to do something else for that. So that's all for today video. Hope you learn a new thing, which is action sheet and a full screen cover. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for watching more relevant videos regarding iOS and other technologies like website or anything else. And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. We will create a new video according to your requirement. Thanks for watching and happy coding.